In this video, we're looking at the Content Engagement Report tab inside of the tyGraph for Atlas reporting solution. This report is intended to show you the popularity of your authors, your favorite talking points, and some of your favorite content. The Knowledge Author Streaks League will show the consecutive number of weeks where an author has published at least one knowledge page. Similarly, the News Author Streaks League will show the consecutive number of weeks where an author has published at least one news article. The Favorite Talking Points will show the rankings of terms by the number of times its associated content has been liked. And here we can see the tags, Atlas Introduction, Product Compliance, and so on, and the number of likes that they've received. We can see the highest ranked terms based on the number of times an item has been tagged. So in this case, we see tags for demos and POCs, engineering, construction, and so on. And then we can come over and see our top 10 favorite content. We can see our top 10 news. We can see the name of the news article, a link to it. If there was a like, we would see that there, and the number of viewers. The top 10 knowledge pages, we can see the Atlas Analytics page. It's received 1 like and has had 11 views. As the organization is continuing to create content, the Content Engagement Report tab will have more meaning, and you will be able to see those areas where your Atlas users are liking and engaging in content. Thanks for watching.